The new Player Scout tool can be found in the Explore section. You can use this to view player data aggregated across a whole season, and the tool can be used to create player long lists for recruitment. You can edit the columns shown by clicking this button and adding and removing columns as needed, and clicking Apply to save your changes. You can click the 3 dots to export this data as a CSV. Users with video access can hover over a metric and click the play button to view the player's event associated with that metric. In this case, we'll be viewing the shots associated with this player. We can now explore the options for filtering our player list. Filters can be found on the left-hand side, and we'll start with the General Filter tab, where we can choose the competitions that we're interested in viewing player data for. We can also choose to look at previous season data if we're interested in historic performance. And if we're interested in a specific section of the season, we can filter using the start and end date. Once we're happy with our filters, we can click Apply to view our updated data table. In the player section, we can start to narrow down our requirements. We can start by filtering by player position, which will only show a player's data for when they were playing in that position. We can also apply filters to set an age range if we're interested in younger players. Similarly, we can set a minimum height for our player and also a preferred foot. We might then want to apply a minimum number of minutes, so we exclude players that have not played much football. I'll click Apply and we can see that our list has narrowed considerably. On the Metrics tab, I can filter by player performance by selecting metrics I want to include as filters. I can click this button and then choose Metrics by scrolling down or by searching in the search bar. And I can click Apply, and these now become available for me to filter on. So I can apply filters and then apply my changes here. We now have an updated list of players. Once I'm happy with my filters on all 3 tabs, I can click Save, which will allow me to save these options to return to at another time.